Welcome back to Right Destinations YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Christmas celebrations in England. As the festive season approaches, the air thickens with anticipation and merriment. England transforms into a holiday paradise, with each corner echoing the joyous spirit of Christmas. We're about to embark on a festive journey, counting down the 5 best places to celebrate Christmas in England in 2023. So grab a cup of cocoa, cozy up by the fire, and embark on this magical journey together. Our festive adventure begins with the heart of the capital, London. Each year, Hyde Park undergoes a magical transformation into a winter wonderland. As you wander through this festive landscape, your senses will be enveloped by the warm glow of twinkling lights, the laughter of children on the ice skating rinks, and the enticing aroma of mulled wine wafting from charming market stalls. Here, you can marvel at the breathtaking ice sculptures, each one a testament to the festive spirit that permeates the air. Whether you're indulging in some holiday shopping or just soaking up the enchanting atmosphere, Hyde Park's winter wonderland is a holiday paradise, right in the midst of the bustling city. A sight you don't want to miss. Next, we journey to the picturesque city of Bath, where the past and present merge in a festive embrace. The city, known for its stunning Georgian architecture, decks its cobbled streets with twinkling fairy lights, transforming into a charming Victorian spectacle. The highlight of the season is the annual Victorian Christmas market. Here, you can lose yourself amidst stalls offering handcrafted gifts, each one a testament to the artisan's skill and creativity. And oh, the food! Prepare to be enticed by the delectable aroma of roasted chestnuts, mulled wine, and other festive treats that waft through the crisp winter air. Bath's Christmas market is truly a feast for the senses, an experience that will leave you with a heart full of Yuletide cheer. For our next festive destinations, we're stepping into the pages of a Charles Dickens novel, lighting up in a spectacular display of lights and ending in a vibrant city. First, we journey to Rochester, where the spirit of a Dickensian Christmas comes alive. Imagine a city transformed into a 19th century winter wonderland, complete with carolers in Victorian costumes and enchanting street performances. The Christmas market here is a delight, offering sights, sounds, and tastes that Dickens himself would have relished. We then venture to the enchanting Longleat Safari Park for the Festival of Light. As the sun sets, Longleat is illuminated in a mesmerizing display of lights. Classic Christmas scenes and mythical creatures are brought to life in a breathtaking spectacle that truly captures the magic of Christmas. This is a dazzling feast for the eyes, sure to leave you and your family in awe. Finally, we arrive in the bustling city of Manchester. Its Christmas markets are a festive extravaganza, offering an array of local delicacies and unique gifts. Nestled against the backdrop of the magnificent Manchester Cathedral, these markets create a festive ambience that's simply irresistible. Whether it's the charm of a Victorian-era experience, a dazzling feast for the eyes, or a vibrant atmosphere, these places make Christmas truly unforgettable. And there you have it, folks, the 5 best places to celebrate Christmas in England in 2023. From the twinkling winter wonderland in London to the historic charm of Bath's Victorian market, the Dickensian Christmas in Rochester, the electrifying Festival of Light in Longleat, and finally, the festive markets in Manchester. Each offers a unique Yuletide experience. Share which destination sparked your holiday spirit in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to Right Destinations, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on all our festive adventures. Until next time, happy holidays, and may your Christmas be merry and bright.